Greetings to all. I am Dr. J. Jayapriya from CITE MS University. In this video, we are going to see Google Meet. This is the outline of this video. First, we are going to see what is meant by Google Meet, why we need this Google Meet in our learning management system, and a demo that explains how to create a Google Meet. Apart from this, we have a lot of extensions that can be incorporated in Google Meet and very much useful for our learning management system. And finally, YouTube channel creation. The last two topics are discussed in the separate video. So, now we say what is Google Meet. It is a video communication service developed by Google. It is a replacement of two apps, namely Google Hangouts and Google Chat. Nowadays, Google Meet is well established in education and business domain. So why we need this Google Meet in our learning management system? In general, we conduct academic meetings. In our learning management system, we have e-content format with 4 quadrants. Let us see how this Google Meet is used in these quadrants. Conducting live classes, live demo for students with a maximum strength of 250 comes under quadrant 1. Organizing live discussion forum for students comes under quadrant 3. Assessing the students by doing project Vivas, student seminar and lab work comes under quadrant 4. To do all these things, we need to create a meeting link. This link can be a unique one for each class, and this link can be pasted in the Google Classroom stream so that the students can click the link and go to the live classes as per their schedule. Before going to the demo, I want to specify that we have to create the Google Meet using the education domain specific mail ID. This is because in that education domain specific mail ID, we have recording option. We can record our live classes and paste the link in the Google Classroom so that the students can watch the lecture in future. In general, before we start the live section, we should have a proper headset and mic. Without any further delay, we will move on to the demo. Now open the browser and type calendar schedule and ensure that you have login using the domain specific, that is education domain specific mail ID, that is msuv.ac.in, and I have already done this. In the right corner you can see that, right top corner. Now just click the first link, Google Calendar. So it will display the calendar in different format. So this is now showing week format, and the top you can see we have day format, week, month, year, and we can choose anything as we like. So I just have chosen week, and in this left side you have month. Now we are going to create a link. To create a link, we can schedule in two ways. We can directly click the date and the time, and when you do so, you will get this title, or we can just click this create button. So now I am going to give a title that is related to the meeting, live class. So live class on the first unit, something like that. Then check the date and the duration, and now click add Google Meet conferencing. Now we can see the link, where this link should be copied and pasted in the Google Classroom stream so that the students will click that link and join the live class meeting. And another one option is add guest. If you want any person who are not in the classroom but want to listen to your class, then you can add that person's mail ID here, so that this meeting schedule will be intimated to that particular person through his mail ID. And finally, actually it is optional, And finally we can save this schedule. So the schedule event is done. And if you want this schedule to be continued daily in the same time, just double click the event, and here you can see all day. Just select that, and the next to that you have daily, select that. So you have the same link for the same class at the same time. So you can use one unique link for a particular class. So this also can be saved. Before that, we have another interesting option, that is attachment. Click this attachment. You can upload any kind of your document that you want to share in the live class. So you can take from my drive, or you can upload from your system. So you can take any file, that is document, that want to be shown to your students. So just click, select that file and click upload. So finally we are saving this schedule. So now you can see in all the dates and the particular time we have this same title and the link also same. Now we are going to see the Google Meet room. Just open the tab and type Google Meet. Again we have to be sure that we have opened the mail ID, and now just click the Meet Google. So just click join or start a meeting. So here we have to give some nickname, something like that, to identify us. Just click continue. So here you can see that camera is getting started. If you not need it, just switch off. And this is microphone, and here we have the button join now. Just click it. This is the complete Google Meet room. Here you can see many extensions that are explained separately. Now in the right bottom corner you can see 3 buttons. Just click it. You will have some options. The first option is record meeting. This is very important. For this reason only we have login through education domain specific mail ID, and we can click this and record our live classes and change the layout. It shows different layout, and we have full screen, turn on captions settings. And here coming to the present now, we can choose any 3 of these. So we can present your entire screen, that is whatever you are doing on the window, it will be visible to all the members in the meeting. And the next option is a window. So we have different windows opened here. We are going to select any one window. And the next one is a Chrome tab. Here I have 2 Chrome tab. I can choose any one and share in the Google Meet. So here, to turn on this caption, you should on the mic. So whatever you speak in the mic, it is displayed in the screen, so that the participants, like students, can see that. Now time being, I am just switch off the turn on options. And the other important thing is, here select the people, where you can see the list of participants, the students who have joined in your class, and the chat box where students can interact with other students and the staff. Here coming to the left down corner, you have the details. In this you have the link, and next one is attachment. in the calendar itself, I told that we can attach some document and we can show in the meeting. So that document is displayed here, and when you double click it is shown in the meeting. So this is the complete options shown in the Google Meet. Thank you.